This video will go over how to use your campaign manager within FeedbackWhiz. To locate your campaign manager, select Campaigns tab above, and from the drop-down, go ahead and select the campaign manager. The campaign manager stores all of your saved campaigns, and you have two options for what type of campaign you can set up. The first option is to create a custom email campaign. Within this option, you're able to tie in any email template you have created. The second option you have is create Amazon review and feedback campaign. This is a request review button on Seller Central, except it's fully automated. And with both of these options, there's videos on how to set them up as well within our support site. So within the campaign manager, you'll be able to see the campaign name, what template is tied to the campaign name, what the timing and rules are for the campaign, and for this campaign you can see it's sending out 5 days after the orders have been delivered to all products. You can also see the campaign stats for email sent and queued. Within the campaign that ties in the official Amazon template, you cannot see open rates, but for the custom email campaign you are able to see open rates. By clicking on email sent, you have the option to see how many open rates you've had for the past week, past month, past 60 days, past year, or all tied. You can see what marketplace is tied in for the campaign, what the order type is, and whether it's active or inactive. You can also see when it was last updated, and within the action buttons, you can go ahead and click into editing the campaign. You can create labels. Labels help filter and locate your campaign a lot more quicker. And you're able to create up to 5 custom labels per campaign. So the review request filter, if you go ahead and click into it, you'll be able to filter all of the campaigns you have tied in using this label. Click back onto it to go back to the regular page. You can preview how the campaign looks like, the email template that's attached to it. You can also pull up the stats, and again, the request review button option for the Amazon review and feedback request campaign does not store open rates. You can duplicate the campaign or delete the campaign as well from here. This is how to use the campaign manager.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more information, please visit FeedbackWhiz.com.